Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your carrier provides a 5G router or hotspot and that you have account credentials. Next, confirm your 4G phone can join modern Wi-Fi networks because you will use the 5G device as an internet bridge. Once done, power up the 5G router, note the SSID and password, and place it near your phone for strong signal. You begin the connection process now. Do not skip credential entry or positioning because range matters. Once the router is broadcasting, you connect the 4G phone to that SSID and enter the password. You should set the phone network profile to private so local services work. Make sure DHCP is enabled unless your setup requires a static IP. Next, log into the 5G router admin on a browser to secure it. Change the default SSID, enable WPA3 if available, and set a strong admin password. Doing this reduces interference and keeps your connection reliable. You finish by testing the link. Run a speed test and adjust router placement for maximum throughput. If pages won't load, reboot the 5G router, confirm the SIM is active and the data plan supports tethering, and verify the router locked onto a 5G band. If problems persist, make the phone forget the network and reconnect, or factory reset the router as a last resort. Remember, changes like firmware updates or APN corrections often resolve tricky connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.